everyone, and welcome to the Adventures of the Hendersons in the Philippines. So right now, my family is here. My ina na nawalay sa anak. Akong inahan nga maluloy joke. O ako ang brother nga si Joshua nga nagkaon og mangga, og si Giselle na nagdali-dali og kaog mangga. So they visited me. Yeah, they visited me since I'm all alone in the apartment. And these are the rest of my brothers nga dako na. Gamay na ko ni ako mo ni South, so lang mo ni Dagko. Ariel and Hapon. Kumusta mga Hapon? Gitawag ni siya Hapon, pero di siya gamay o mata. Hapon, smile! Yeah, he's done with his school because he is taking marine engineering, marine nautical. Saan ay kuha ni mo Hapon? Nautical engineering. And this is my brother Ariel. Bro. And he's busy applying for a job. And the last one, but not the least, ako amahan sa kanunang panahon. Yeah, my father is eating bread. Kumusta mo ka pa? Okay, gimingaw sila nimo.
I'm okay.
Bisaya lang. I-translate.
Okay.
Kumusta mo nang kinabuhi?
Okay.
Kira?
Good and fine.
Ikaw ma?
Maayo.
Maya kayo? Yeah.
The grace of God, I'm good.
Healthy. Oh, you're healthy. Tapos si Papa, healthy. Oh, asa may isultin yung Dwayne?
Hi, Dwayne. Kumusta? How are you? There in... Kumusta?
Ako na may translate noon sa
How are you in Antarctica? We miss
England.
you.
Oh,
We miss you.
nga.
Your tummy.
Ayun, bataan din. Tapos, and then, ikaw pa?
Bless
Oh, God bless.
in your work, in your job.
Okay, okay, sa tingnan.
Oh, wala pa di mo.
Oo.
Oh, ikaw, isa. Yeah, because my brothers, except Hapon. My high school siblings are honor students. Ikaw pila ka so? Ikaw pila.
With honors.
How with honors? Oh, yeah. Oh, isa tanan? Sa duha ka room? Sa duha? Or sa imo lang room? Oh, so for overall grade 11 student. He's one of the with honor students. And my sister went outside because she's too scared. O sige, kumusta man yung mga sila po? Gusto nila ang mahibawaan kung unsa ka gwapo. Huwag sa kabutan. Kita na akong ilok. Yeah, my brothers and My sister are too shy in the camera. Yeah. Good thing they visited me because I'm all alone. So, sa inyo ay, unahan na natong kinagapahan.
Dilagay mo ba na yung same ma?
Di natong kinagapahan.
Hey, ito. Hey.
Oh. Sa may feeling nga, honor student. Yun siya, naanad akong honor student ko eh. What's the feeling of being one of the top? And yeah, it's actually a blessing that my siblings are talented.
Siya mo, siya mo.
Oh, sa imong talent hapon. Ito ni Pasok yan si Hapon. Pagka-honor. Oo, so kamusta man yung mga pagka-honor? Kapila ka, Day?
Papa Magoris.
Oh, even si Mama, honor daw ka.
Ha?
Yeah, because since she did the
Tatanong siya.
examination of those honor students, so of course, she will be part of the honor students. Pero pag third grading, how about in the third grading?
We don't know.
Second grading,
We don't know.
with honor. Nga ikaw pa, kumusta man? Imuhang mga anak, kabuutan, ug bright, sama nako.
I'm happy that you're the other way. I'm happy that we have you. We have you, sad daughters.
Ikaw po mo.
Call po.
Ikaw po mo.
Ang ko ito.
Get out. Masa man mo ika-istorya sa imong mga anak ka guwapa?
I have
Guwapo.
I have.
You have a
children. We have a
very handsome. This is the
I have a children that they have talent and bright.
and bright and
We thankful to God.
Nagamit na. Flavor.
clever.
Sa mga daghan. Sa itong ano.
Daghan. Daghag.
Sila ba mga buutan?
Mga butan ko may gamay lang.
All of our kids are good.
Ayaw kailak na.
Very good.
Yeah.
We are blessed that my kids is good and faithful to God.
Man. So, sa'yo makasulti pa sa time. Joke.
Okay, okay. Ito yung sulti ni Mama.
So, this is my family. Yeah. So, thank you everyone for watching and see you next time. This is the Adventures of the Hendersons in the Philippines. Bye for now. Ina, bye.
No.
Bye.